engaged here.
Sir, sir, Murthy sir's surname is Muttahakali.
Sir, I request you.
Ramesh ji, how are you?
Good. I'm just driving, so that's why I put up on this thing, video on mute.
Okay. Generally, I will be in that position, you know. Generally, in
Sir,
meetings,
I
I'll
see
be in that
you.
position.
I see you driving always.
Yeah.
Okay, so Rajendra sir, meanwhile Rajuji is asked, can you please introduce the other team members so that the South Multiple and Mr. Shastri can just know about them.
Right, sir.
Okay, sir.
And introduce each people who is there. So by the time Rajuji can join.
Yes, sir. That's a good idea.
Yeah. So you just introduce on them and then what is they are doing in our district so that we can make use of this time. Correct.
Very safely. Sir, Mr. D. Bhaskar.
Yes, sir.
He is our district treasurer.
Sir, good evening, sir. All of.
And next, Mr. Allied Captain Selvaraj. He is president of Alliance Club of Ullagaram, and today he has joined as a life member.
Oh, congratulations, sir.
Fine.
Congratulations.
And Muthukumar, Dr. C. Muthukumar, he is president Alliance Club of Nehru Colony. Today he also joined as a life member.
Oh, congratulations to him also.
And Mr. Nargunan, he has today is the 15th district. He is a member of 15th district today. This 15th district was registered today, sir.
Congratulations, Ryan.
Mr. Om Prakash.
Nargunan.
Om Prakash, sir, you can unmute and talk.
Yeah, hello, sir. Hi, everyone.
Yeah, good evening, Om Prakash.
Sir, can you switch on your video?
My video is on.
So, Om Prakash, sir, already in video only.
Mr. Om Prakash, he is our district chairman. And Pushparatnam, he is also district chairman. And Mr. Rajesh, he is the treasurer of this new club today. This last club, 15th club, Alliance Club of Teachers Colony. And Ramesh, you all know, he is the chartered governor and ICC. And Mr. Subha, she is the secretary of the 14th club. It registered 2 days ago. And Uma Shankari, Mrs. Uma Shankari, she is president of Classic. Madam, Classic Queens or?
Madam, Uma Shankari, madam, can you unmute and talk?
Hello, madam.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah. Subha, madam, is speaking. Yeah, carry on, madam.
She is president of Classic Queens.
Moovarsambettu, sir. Madipakka Moovarsambettu.
Acha. Congratulations.
Namaskaram, sir.
Namaskaram.
Sir, good evening, sir. Sir, fine, sir. Sir, I'm in a meeting with the international president, sir. So today, review meeting for our district. I will call you later, sir. Yes, sir. It is a review meeting fixed on today. That's why I called you some before that meeting. I will call you later, sir.
Sir Rajendra sir, you can unmute, sir.
Sir. No. Tirupati Raj is sorry joining slowly. He's asked me to send the Zoom app again.
Rajesharji, we sent the link.
Permission.
Okay. Rajendran sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we will proceed with the introduction, sir. Everybody is got introduced.
Yes, sir. And one more. Sir, Kasturi Rangan is a member of Alliance Club of Nehru Colony, sir.
Sir.
One more. Galaxy was come, sir. And
Sir, welcome, sir. Raju sir, welcome, sir.
Join pera. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Sorry, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, good evening, Raju sir.
Good evening. Sorry, I delayed. We went for searching the venue. We have seen so many venues today.
Sir.
Myself, witness around Sairam.
Very good evening, Raju sir.
Yes, sir. Good evening to all of you.
Sir Rajgopal sir, namaskaram.
Namaskar.
My name is Bhaskar.
Yeah, welcome, Bhaskar.
Thank you.
Sir, Raju sir, shall we start?
Start, sir.
All of you,
Okay. So, good evening, everyone. I welcome our international president, my mentor and a dynamic leader, Alai B. Tirupati Raju Garu, for this interaction meeting with district leaders of 219 district. And I welcome the district governor, Rajendran ji, and I welcome Senthil Kumar ji and Murthy sir, international director, and Ramesh ji, past district governor, and like Captain Selvaraj D. Bhaskar ji, Muthu Kumar ji, Om Prakash ji, Subha ji, Om Prakash, and all the galaxy of the leaders from District 219 for this interaction meeting with our beloved international president, B. Tirupati Raju ji. So with these few words, I will hand over the proceedings for further proceedings to our international president, B.T. Raju. Sir Raju sir, over to you, sir.
First, let us see the report of the governor, sir.
Sir Rajendran sir.
Yes, sir.
Please submit your administrative report, sir. We don't want
Yes,
activity report.
Respected International President Raju Garu and International Secretary Mr. Balagangadhar Sastry and Sri Murthy, Ale Murthy, International Director, and Mr. Ramesh, our Chartered District Governor and ICC, Ale Rajeshwar Rao Garu, SMC. SMC was Secretary South Multiple, and my district officers, and I am with very proud. I am submitting this report. First of all, I joined Alliance Club as a life member when 219. Madam, please all to unmute yourself.
Yeah, Rajendran, proceed.
I joined the Alliance as a life member during 219's Charter Day, and I got a pin from our international president Raju Saab. So it is a very rare coincidence to submit a report as a governor today. And this district was started in 2018. Myself succeeded the Chartered District Governor Mr. Ramesh this year. This district started with 6 clubs initially. During March this year, 3 clubs were added, and after April, 6 clubs were added, and the 15th club we have remitted the amount today. And with all the total 15 club, the strength is 15 clubs with 234 members. As for life members, as far as life member, up to the last year, we were having 12 life members, and this year we added 7 life members. And today we have remitted amount for 3 life members. And Mr. G.P. Babu, Alliance Club of President, Alliance Club of Nanganallur Metro, and Alai Captain Selvaraj, President, Alliance Club of Ullagaram, and Alai Dr. C. Muthukumar, President, Alliance Club of Nehru Colony. All the 3 today, they joined us life members of this our Allianistic family. And total, we are now total having 19 life members. And we are having, in our clubs, we are having total now 6 doctors in this district, and as well as nearly 45 teachers. That is exclusively 3 clubs are made up of teachers, and 1 club with 4 total with fully businessmen. So we are having multivarious talents from the society, and we will assure the international president that we will march forward and make this district as a very vibrant one. And within the leftover 2 months, we will now we overcome our mental barrier, that is the 15th district. And so from here on, we will make our international president call to make 20 members each district. That in that direction, we will move, and we will make maximum clubs with 20 members before this March. Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, I forgot to mention to welcome our international, multiple council secretary, Rajeshwaraji. Sir, welcome, sir, Rajeshwaraji. Forgot to mention your name.
Okay. Our leader and district governor of this proud district 219, L.I. Rajendran, and our international director, L.I. Murthy, our international secretary, Sastri, and multiple council secretary, Rajeshwar Rao Garu, and past Governor Ramesh, and other friends today. Good evening to all of you. This year, because there is no physical meetings, I could not visit the districts because of this corona also. So we are interacting for each district, at least to know the activities of the district and know their feelings and problems, at the same time achievements, and what are the problems there that we want to solve. Earlier, we don't have this system of Zoom meeting. Now we are habituated to meet in Zoom meeting. In the Zoom meeting, we are seeing each one regularly, even though we don't have physical meetings. Especially the district 219 is having very potential leaders like Murthy, Ramesh, Rajendran, and Senthil Kumar, and other leaders, I can say each name. Very good leaders. Because the leaders are working now, this district became full-fledged district from today. 15 clubs means full-fledged district. I request you to make your clubs to 20. 20 is a very good. Because with 15 members, the clubs will not survive for longer time. For 15 members, within 3-4 years, all leaders will become past presidents and past secretary, past treasurer. We may not find leader. Then we have to request old people only to continue as a president. That is why every year there should be new people in each club and new members should come. We should elevate them to higher positions. Then only the district or club will survive. That is why I'm insisting everywhere this year. Let us make the club membership to 20. Not only this year, we'll continue this. We want our entire international to make our club strength minimum 20. Of course, we make statutory also. But for starting a new club, maybe 15. Within 1 year, like district club also, they have to increase the members. That is the first thing. Really, I'm proud. You have added a lot of life members this year. I think this year, how many, sir? 11 life members? Unmute, sir.
Seven,
Sir,
seven.
unmute.
7 life members we added. It is very good addition. 7 life members. And certainly you can improve more life members also in your district. I know you are doing good service activities also. We have seen regularly in Facebook and other activities. We are seeing regularly your activities. Dr. Murthy sometimes is not feeling well because of his ill health. I think he could not involve much. I request Murthy also, because in our multiple, Balachandran, out of his 8 districts, he conducted this core committee meeting, interaction meeting for 6 districts. And Anna Reddy is having 4 districts. He conducted this interaction meeting for all the 4 districts. And Buchiram has to conduct again in our area. One is our district and there is 106 and other 2 districts also in Andhra. So 4 districts, Buchiram has to conduct interaction meetings. And Murthy also, he started conducting meeting today with your district 219. Because the review of this district is given to the directors. Each director has given some clubs. In this year for awards, we have fixed this only. Any district with 5 life members, minimum 5 life members, and 20% growth, that district governor will be considered as 100% governor. I'm happy that Rajendran became the 100% governor in your district with his 15 clubs, and he already contributed life members and he made more than 20% growth. Really, we are proud of you, Rajendran, for your wonderful work. Unless the leader works, the people will not work. I hope our Murthy International Director also will receive 100% director, provided his districts already so many districts are doing. For becoming 100% director in his area, out of total districts, he has to make at least 25 life members put together in all his districts, 25 life members. And there should be 20% growth in all the combined together in their district. If you motivate every district to make 5 life members and at least 20% growth, at least 75% of the districts, if they do, the director also will be called as 100% director. So this year I am motivating through interaction meeting. Every international director, I'm asking all international directors. If all international directors become 100% directors, automatically I will be also 100% president. Then only I will be the 100% president. And similarly, I think now all my directors are committed. So far, whatever the district I spoke so far, all the districts are all the district governors are becoming 100% governors. I think majority districts in our international, by the time international convention, majority districts, they become 100% governors. Very few governors may be left. I don't think any governor will be there without 100% award. So my governors, all governors will receive 100% governor. That is, I am confident, I am working for that. And next one is, we are also motivating the clubs. because of this corona, nowadays it is very difficult to contact the clubs. Leaders means we are not getting club leaders. So I request the governors, especially Rajendran, already you are working out for your clubs. Any club president, if he produce one life member and at least five normal members, 20, then the club should be 20, at least one life member they have to make. Then that club president also 100% club president. That is why to recognize all these people, earlier we used to start our international convention evening at 5 o'clock, but this time we are starting international convention at 2 o'clock itself. So I want to recognize all 100% governors, all 100% directors, and I want to give all awards. That is why I'm planning more. I'm allotting more than 3 hours for our international convention this time. That's why today I searched so many venues, and we worked out almost. We are going to finalize the venues. So I want to give more time. And regarding the convention, first and second, we'll have our international convention. And 30th, we have a training program for new governors and vice governors. For new governors and vice governors, for training program, we are giving free accommodation and free registration for training program. One day before they have to come on 30th of April itself. That also we are planning. So your next year governor and vice governor should prepare to come by 30th morning itself. And really, I'm very happy. Rajendran is doing wonderful work. He is also motivating his presidents to become 20 members. That is a great thing. I hope he can motivate all his clubs, all his presidents also to become 100% president. That is, I think I can assume. Another thing I want to request you, have you seen our website? We have updated website. Again, we are going to update our website, but now every week we are updating your photos. And of course, sometimes Rajendran told some problem. That is why I told you, don't send to any person, you send directly to the right person. You send directly to Kamaldeep. If any of your photos are not updated in the website, you can tell me. That's why I told clearly for all the districts, you can send directly to the concerned person. Magazine means judge. And website means Kamaldeep. You send and they will try to update. If you find any problem in updating, please contact me or Anu Metal. We'll try to rectify it immediately. That is one thing. I think we have dispatched international directory. All of you received our international directory. We sent to governors and vice governors. Rajendran sir, have you received international directory?
Sir, we got it, sir. And my suggestion is because in the international directory, the cabinet is all of them names are printed. Let it can be extended to the other secretary, treasurer, and PRO, sir.
Sir, certainly, if you want extra copies, we are giving, no problem.
Yes.
Because some district they are not asking. If any district asks extra copies, immediately you can collect either from Mathivanan, I will tell him to give you, or you can Rajeswara also send you. How many copies you want to tell me, I will tell him.
Right, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So you want a secretary and treasurer?
And PRO.
PRO, okay. We'll give another 3 copies. If you want for a Murthy also, for promoting other clubs, other areas, we can give more directories also to you.
Yes.
Okay, sir. We'll give you 5 directories.
Okay.
You can take Rajeswara, please send.
Monday I'll send you, sir.
You can send, or Mathivanan, you ask Mathivanan to send 5 copies to this district.
Okay, sir. Right, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, are you planning any other new district?
Sir, it is under the process only, sir, because I had some last 1 week, my wife and son got corona positive.
Okay. I also got positive. That is a drawback for me also.
So
Now,
actually, this week or within 10 days, I was planned to visit Madurai for this.
okay, okay.
It will take some more time, sir. Anyway, I will pursue it, sir.
Now they got negative, sir.
Pardon, sir?
No,
It's now they passed the critical period and they are improving, sir.
very good. I also got, but I stayed in the home only. All my family, myself, my missus, and my mother-in-law, all three people they got. We stayed 1 week, 1 to 10 days, 1 week to 10 days in home itself and cured. But weakness will be there for some more time. Still, I'm also feeling the weakness. It will take some time. No problem, sir. Unless in this corona, I observed if they have any serious drawbacks of heart problem or lungs problem, other major disease is there, for them it is risky. Otherwise, we need not fear for corona. I think it may take some time only for recover. That is the main problem. If you don't have any serious problems, then no problem. If you have serious problems, we have to be very careful. Really, we hope, sir, all of you are healthy and wealthy in this period. Really, I am very happy with your district. I request you, as you promise, I am very happy. I am not asking you. You have done a lot of work. You made 15 and you reached 7. And whatever possible for you, you can add life members and other members and make your clubs. We are giving for every 5 members. 5-member edition, we are giving 1 diamond pin. If they are 10 members, we'll give 2 diamond pin. If any club president, they make 15 to 20 clubs, 20 members, we'll give them diamond pin. And we recognize in the international convention also. That is why I allocated 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours because all people are becoming 100% governors. I'm allocating 3 hours to recognize all governors, international officers, and club presidents. So now I'm going to write letters once the international office is updated. I'm going to write letters to all these people. Who are to be honored at the international convention. All people will get letters and invitation. We are giving special time for all of them. Regarding the expansion of this international, we are extending like anything. I have a lot of time. Last 4-5 months in the corona time, I could able to concentrate internationally, but now I could not spare that time. But anyhow, we extended to Nepal and Bangladesh. Bangladesh may inaugurate district on 27th with 15 clubs, starting itself 15 clubs. They are inaugurating on 27th. They asked for 21st. 21st, I have another program, so I given 27th. We are inaugurating in Bangladesh. Philippines also already 1 district we have inaugurated. Now we are planning 3 districts, another 3 districts. Philippines this year we may make multiple. 3 districts are ready with 5 clubs. They are trying shortly. I think within 1 month we inaugurate all the clubs in Philippines and Sri Lanka also. We are going to inaugurate 1 district in Sri Lanka. So Nepal also we are trying 1 more district. How far we can utilize this, I don't know so far. So at least in the international convention, we are expecting, actually they are promising large number to come. But what will be the position of corona, we don't know. If flights are free, if there is no restrictions, many people will come. That's what they're telling. Even Nepal itself, they're telling around 100 members to attend our international convention. Similarly, Bangladesh also, they're promising around 50 members. We are planning for tour program for everybody. So large member may come from Nepal and Bangladesh and from North India. This time we are expecting more members for our international convention. And whatever the problems you have, you are free to ask now. And I can tell you the solutions, whatever the problems you have, we are ready to solve. Before that, let us hear from our international director from the same district, C. Murthy. Murthy sir.
Sir, unmute yourself, sir.
Murthy.
Sir, Rajendran sir, your VDGs are there, no?
VDGs has attended, sir.
Sir, 1 second, sir. Both of them, no.
Who is your first VDG?
First VDG is Mr. Nangai Mani, sir, but his son has admitted in hospital. He's in
Okay,
ICU.
okay. Second
Second
VDG?
VDG, Kripagaran, yes, promised he will come to the meeting.
He may come. He may come.
Yes,
So let us go with Murthy. Sir, voice not clear.
Please, sir, put the mic near to your mouth.
Audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, audible now.
Good evening, one and all. Our beloved International President, Alai P.T. Raju sir, friend Balagangadhar Sastri sir, the International Secretary, and Rajeshwar Rao sir, International Multiple Secretary, and our District Governor and International Advisor, S. Rajendran, and our Chartered Governor, M.R. Ramesh, ICC, and all the club members, secretaries, PDG. Good evening, one and all. As Rajendran described, we achieved today 15 clubs and 3 more life members in our crown. Shortly, as Raju sir told, he is the motivator to establish this allianism, not only in India, all over the world and overseas also. As he said, we try to make all the clubs to nearly 20 members. Adding 5 clubs may be impossible, but definitely we can add 5 members in each club in these 15 clubs. And also we can get more and more life members. We'll work on it definitely. Also, as he told, I will interact with all other districts which is allotted to me to manage them with a full-fledged districts with so many life members. Definitely, I will do this. Because of my back pain, I could not travel much. My doctor advised not to travel more distance. That's why even in the corona also will permit me to go outside the city. That's why, as Rajendran told, we both are planning to get more districts in outside Chennai city, in Madurai, Coimbatore, and Vellore, as well as in Tiruvannamalai also. This situation, after 1 month, it will be better, I think. After 1 month, corona will also be reduced. So, after 1 month, we will take these districts, new districts and new clubs. With the association of Rajendran and M.R. Ramesh, we can achieve this. And our Senthil Kumar is very much useful in conducting this Zoom meeting and all. We, as Rajendran told, we have 3 clubs of educational institutes and a lot of teachers involved in that. And 2 hospitals are engaged here in these clubs and 6 doctors are here. so that we can do lot of service activities among the public as well as with the students. We can conduct more exams and more student engagement can be made, and a lot of will be given to schools, and these teachers of the Educational Institute are very helpful to me, and they are much useful in conducting lot of educational activities. Like this, we will do our level best to establish this Alliance Club all over Tamil Nadu. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Murthy garu, for your promise that you motivate all the district governors. Our Sastri also will help you. He will, Rajeshwar will help you. They will also talk to every governor, and with the three of you can coordinate and fix dates for the international meeting of all the districts as early as possible. Now, if you speak in any district is in deficit, they can finish before March. Now the corona is not much, so every district they started working. And tomorrow we have a core committee, multiple core committee meeting also there tomorrow. And you are coming to the multiple core committee. We'll decide all the policies of multiple, what to do. That is also there. And you immediately, as early as possible, please contact all the governors and fix the dates.
Okay.
You also have to conduct the district conference before the multiple conference.
Okay.
Because international convention in May or multiple convention may be in the month of April, but we are planning multiple council meeting in April 8th or April 8th, I think. Planning multiple council meeting, particularly in Visakhapatnam. It's sir, Rajeshwar. We are planning that. Sir, unmute, sir.
Sir, March 7th is a multiple council meeting, sir. 11th is our convention, multiple convention.
11th April.
11th April.
No, sir. March
7th.
Council meeting.
Yes, sir. Yes.
March 7th, we have a council meeting, physical meeting. And April, we have the convention. Convention will be through Zoom only because all members, they cannot come in the April for multiple convention. Again, May 1st and 2nd for international convention. So to avoid the legal problems, we conduct multiple convention only through Zoom. We take official decisions. I think whatever multiple council decided, we will pass in the multiple convention. But all proceedings of the multiple convention will be held with along with the international convention on first morning. Almost multiple convention will be held on first morning, evening international convention, morning multiple convention. Like that, we are planning. So you plan in the month of March or April first week, your district conference, we can plan it. That is also another session for you. Really, I'm proud of you, all of you are doing. And Senthil Kumar is also doing a lot of work, and he has helped us in developing website. He has given a lot of suggestions. All were used for our developing website. I think it will be an asset for us in developing our organization also. And we decided to develop YouTube channel.
Yes, sir. So we are started that work. We will make it at an earliest. We are planning that also.
Yes.
And I have planned for another our intimation. All the intimation we will do hereafter through the animation oriented. Yes. That will I am preparing that. Once I completed, I will show it to you. then you tell me and correct it me what anything changes, then we can go ahead based on that.
Very good, sir. Very good. We are
Is the
proud of-
animation clip instead of you are posting the in the text oriented,
Yes.
just throw it a one video clip, just 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
So it will give more value.
Yeah, yes. That is also important.
Yeah.
And we have to complete the YouTube channel as early as possible. Can
Sure,
we
sir.
complete it in this month?
Yeah.
So let us inaugurate the
Yeah.
YouTube channel in this month. Let us fix it. You tell me date. We'll
Yeah.
fix a date. On that date, we can inaugurate. We can invite entire international for YouTube channel inauguration also.
So for what I did, sir, is first level I will, because I need one unique email for that, because I have to depend to our core peoples. Instead of that, I will create one email
Okay.
for this YouTube channel creation.
Okay.
Then after I will hand it to the who's going to maintain.
Yes.
So they can do that. Otherwise, if I take it mail from them, each and every time I have to get from all the approvals, all the things will happen. So I will finish up and handovering time, I will give it to them.
Okay, that is better. When handovering time, we will fix some committee.
Yeah.
Our Vidyasagar, some people we have fixed. Vidyasagar do systematically, sincerely. If you can complete anything, Vidyasagar can handle this, no problem.
Sure, sir.
And do you want to say anything, Senthil Kumar?
Sir, actually, I told you initially. Anyway, I will repeat it once again because this is a privilege and you gave the very good opportunity to do my service. This is an organization in AACI. And as per our previous input, you've taken seriously and you implemented that AACI website short names and SSL certificate implementations and all the things has happened. In the last meeting, we decided to go for the Gmail instead of free one. We have to go for the paid one. I shared the commercial part also. So how much that and all. So we can implement it that also, certainly. Earlier, my request that one, because that will give the more level. What is that compared to other free services?
Yes.
It will give the more recognition.
That is why April I want to do additional for our website.
Yeah.
This mail and YouTube channel, these two we have to complete before April.
Yes, sir. That too. And apart from, we have to make it a digital team also, sir. Digital social media team also we have to make it, because the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, this is the Facebook social media websites.
Yes.
For that, we have to make it a one team and we will work it out for that, sir.
Yes.
Because if you put it to the Facebook, it automatically reflects on the Instagram also.
Okay.
So and then is LinkedIn is another professional area people, because Facebook everybody will be there. So known, unknown, everybody will there. In LinkedIn, all the professional will be available. So that will give some mileage for us. So we have to make it a digital team also.
Shortly, I'm planning an expert committee.
Yeah.
Nearest one person is also running a software company in Nepal.
Yeah.
And Sahana from Bangladesh. They are also having excellent knowledge in this field. Like that, you and some expert committee, professional people committee, we want to establish permanently for development of this website, image building, etc. So that all of you, because you know technically better.
Yeah.
So all of you can technically better, and whatever possible we can do shortly.
Sure.
I will constitute the committee and we'll have a meeting also.
Definitely, sir. Then one more input, sir. That is, I request you to make it the Canva. What software is there? There is the online software, web portal software only, because all your posters, what is that pamphlet, everything you can design very simple format. It's just like anybody can do. Even there is no for rocket science, nothing big knowledge need for that. Only drag and drop.
Yeah.
So that is a yearly some $15 or $20 like that. If you make it that one to our team, all the posters, all the maybe reports, everything in a good manner, because the clarity you will make standardized there also.
Yes.
Because we are posting this all the posters in the Facebook, all the things. Is generally you do means that the resolution, clarity, everything will be low. If you do it like such a software, the image resolution will be good and the reachability also good. So I request President to consider and make it on license for them, because the yearly the $20 or $15, I think so. I will say I can give that also.
Yes.
Because in our 219 we are preparing through that software only.
Yes.
So I am using that Canva for that.
Okay,
So
we'll do
all
so.
the our meetings and everything that is, you can see that the clarity and professionalism in that.
Yes, sir. We can go, sir. What is it?
That is the one thing I want to, because we'll go step by step, sir. That's not everything in the one mode. We can educate, even I can educate them how to do that also. That is, you see, not only buying, we have to educate the people how to use that.
Yes, sir.
Even the district, each one district also, I can, anybody is ready to know that. So I can ready to teach them also.
Okay, very good, very good. And other people, any other person want? Ramesh or PDG?
Good evening.
Good evening, Ramesh. Let me know from your side.
Yes, sir. Thanks to on organizing this call. I'm very happy to hear that from the international leaders that a member from the 219 district is contributing more on the IT development, which we are very happy to hear. And we will definitely help the international on this platform to improve more. And I'm very happy today that after me started this district in 2018, after 2.5 years, today we have become a full-fledged district. It is not an easy job to make this. Actually, we planned this within 1 year, but it did not happen. So anyhow, thanks to LIC Murthy and Rajendran Saab to supporting me in making this happen. So as we committed, definitely all the commitments given by district governor will be fulfilled, and we will make sure that we will be completing all the tasks. One thing he missed out, I just mentioned that here, one of our patron, Alai P.T. Shekhar, he is my father's brother. He expired last year, during this Corona time in October. And in memory of him, we in our family, we have a trust in our family name, and along with in coordination with Alliance Club International, we are going to start a library, which will be useful for the people who are not able to spend much on the books, for the competitive exams. We are going to support them. It's not a general library. It is going to be a specific one where the very costlier books like a NEET exam or any aptitude exam or NIT, JEE, JET exams. For that, we are going to support them with the books and on returnable basis, and most probably we will be developing on that. So this one we are planning to start on his Ms. Alai P.T. Shekhar's birthday, which falls on 20th of April 2021, and that day we are planning to start with this in the same place where his residence was there. So this will be soon started, and all the other activities as mentioned by Rajendran will be completing it, sir. That's it for me. Thank you all.
Thank you, Ramesh. You are coming to Visakhapatnam na, and first and second.
When is sir? April 1st and 2nd, right?
International convention.
April 1st and 2nd, sir.
From Visakhapatnam, sir.
May, sir.
April 1st and 2nd, or
Sorry, May 1st and 2nd.
May 1st.
May 1st and 2nd. Okay, so definitely will be there, sir. Sure, sir.
Yes, please come. And what is your gift to our international convention? What you can bring?
So, sir, actually, I have committed.
We don't want any physical gift. We want membership or life member. You have to bring some gift.
Definitely, sir. Actually, for my personal thing, I want a place in which my children are participating, and I am planning to make this parents who are coming to this KT club to join Alliance Club and make them interactive mostly. So most probably, since we have a time, we are going to be time till February, March, and April. Yes. I should be using this opportunity to explain them and make some more clubs using these people so that it will get widespread. Now it is with the local known community. Now we are going to add on a few more new people so that alliance can get spread soon.
Okay, please, whatever possible, you do it, sir, in these 2 months. Any even small addition also, it is good. Every
Definitely, sir. I am planning for that.
past
Sure, sir.
governors, if they do something, growth will be good. Okay, sir.
Definitely, sir. I will be able to commit this one. At least minimum 2 clubs I am planning with them. I will try to complete it, sir. Sure.
Sir,
Sir, this I want to mention one thing, sir. Even though we are giving sponsors, it's all the efforts are joint efforts of myself, Ramesh, and as well as Murthy sir.
yes.
And more or less, we are having some club presidents like Mr. Babu, GP Babu, and Captain Selvaraj, and Muthukumar, and so many persons. They are cooperating. They are going to be our future leaders. And I think our club, our district will be a torchbearer in Tamil Nadu, sir. We will assure you.
No, we are confident of that, because see, I saw so many leaders. Some leaders, they want to say whatever the clubs or members or past governor did, he says I have done. But you are appreciating the leaders. That is the good quality of a leader. See, we have to appreciate the people who are working. Some are international done very well. It is not my credit. Only I'm motivating, I'm asking only. Other people are doing. Without their support, we cannot achieve all these results. Really, I'm proud of you, Rajendran. And we have
Thank you, sir.
Good members, all good members. New members also we have to develop. You can call other new members also. Whatever their opinion they can tell. You can invite one by one. Your future leaders. I think Vice Governor is not here.
Sir, Selvaraj sir is there?
Okay, call Selvaraj. Selvaraj. Captain Selvaraj, okay. Sir, unmute, sir. Selvaraj.
Sir,
you can tell your opinion, whatever your suggestions to our international. Frankly, you can tell your suggestions, and then we feel happy if we add something before international convention, either membership or life members, or increasing your own club to 20. Anything, whatever contribution you can do, if you say, we feel very happy.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. I'll tell you later, sir.
Yes, yes. Now you speak, sir. Whatever you want to say, no problem. Are you getting magazine?
Sir, Captain, sir, you can give.
You are a captain for all of us.
Yes, sir. Selvaraj sir is a very what is that? Is a role model for our team.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, thank you.
We want to hear a few words from your mouth.
Sir, I just joined the Alliance meeting.
Yes, sir.
So now I'm through all these things. So next meeting I can able to tell you suggestions, recommendations, anything you want, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, very good. Thank you, Selvaraj, for involving with us. I think generally it will take some time to understand all these systems and processes. It is a wonderful organization started from India. The main aim of this organization is to give the organization at a lesser administrative cost. Whereas other social organizations, they are charging $50 like that, where we are charging only $5. And we want to motivate the club to spend for more service activities. That is the main idea. And we are collecting, we have a foundation, we are collecting life membership. Each person is giving 10,000 rupees, they become a life member. But for becoming this life member also, many leaders like me and Murthy and all other people, they are supporting. We are giving 3,000 rupees incentive for those members who became a life member. So if you pay 7,000 rupees, they are making life member. In some districts, what they are doing, suppose Warangal is there, 3,000 we are giving, 2,000 the district is giving. That means 500 like some members are giving. So if we pay 5,000, he is becoming a life member. Similarly, Karimnagar, life member. By becoming life member, you can use LMF at the end of your name. And your money is deposited in the corpus fund. and this money will be in the corpus fund only. The interest will be utilized for service activities. So whatever we are giving 7,000 or 10,000, the interest on that will be spent for service activities for so many years. We help any projects started by the districts or clubs. This interest accrued. Now we have calamities also. Whenever there is calamities, we are collecting 50 rupees. Suppose you are paying 250 rupees. 50 rupees we are keeping in natural calamity fund. This money we kept separately. Whenever there is natural calamity, immediately we can sanction some amount from that for supporting the districts. And for amount, whatever you give, LMF, you are also getting 80G, and you can deduction, income tax deduction also you will get. And you will be given a good flag, and you can have it in your house, and people will know your children, your grandchildren, after life also they remember that you are a life member of so-and-so organization. Like there are so many benefits are there for life member. If you are not already life member, I wish you to become a life member. Okay, sir? Captain
Today,
sir.
becoming a life member, sir. Raju sir. Today, Selvaraj, Captain Selvaraj becoming a life member.
Oh, already life
Today.
member.
Yeah. Today only.
If you are,
Today, out of the seven, 3 have joined today, sir.
oh, very good, very good. So I personally congratulate you for becoming life members, sir. Welcome to you. We'll share some more points in our further meetings. Thank you.
Raju sir, one more suggestion. While giving the life member plate, why can't you put a photo on it? Life member's photo.
We can do that. This is not a problem. We'll discuss that. That also we can do. But they have to send their photo.
Yeah.
Yes, this is good.
Good.
Certainly.
Yes, sir. Sir, it can be international president's photo as well as that concerned member's photo.
That also we can do, sir. It is not a problem. We can do it. We can do. That also
It will be very pleasant.
Yes, sir. We'll do, sir. That is not a. I will discuss with Anu Metal and other people.
Even you can reduce the size of the plate. It is quite bigger size. You can reduce.
Now they made small size.
Yeah.
Tomorrow itself, I will discuss this point and decide, sir. Tomorrow.
Please. Thank you.
Now let us hear Bhaskar. Sir, Bhaskar, you want to say something?
Sir, all of you, good evening.
Yes.
Alliance, very, very good, sir.
Thank you.
నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతానే సరే బాగుంది ఇది అందరికీ పట్టి ఉంది నాకు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళంతా దీంట్లో వచ్చి మెంబర్ గా చేస్తారు
Very good, sir. Very good, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Venugopal, you want to say something, sir? Sir, unmute Venugopal. Unmute karo.
You're only unmuted, sir. Just speak, sir. Just speak.
Sir, we want to say a few words. We want to hear you for a few words from you.
Venugopal, sir, please talk, sir.
I think is a voice.
Sir, Venugopal sir, கேக்குதுங்களா? Venugopal sir, are you hearing?
He's not.
He's unmuted, but is.
I think there is maybe net problem for him.
Yeah.
Then with Johnson also here.
சார் வேணுகோபால் லைன்ல இருக்காரு வராரு.
Yes.
It's okay.
ஏய் குட்டாங்கவா கூப்பிடுறாங்கண்ணா.
வேணுகோபால் சார் நீங்க பேசலாம்.
சீக்கிரம் வா.
Yeah, welcome.
Hello.
Yeah, you carry on, sir.
Unmute, sir. Unmute.
No, Johnson, sir, please carry on, sir. Please proceed. Johnson, sir, please proceed.
Okay, good evening to all.
Yeah.
and I'm newly member joined this club, and I'm very much glad to be part of this club, sir. Actually, Captain Selvaraj is introduced me. To join this club. So from my side, I can give my full cooperation. Thank you very much, sir. All the best.
Thank you, Johnson. You are a new member.
Yeah, we are staying together only in Nanganallur area
Yes,
with Captain Selvaraj, nearby house.
yes.
So I'm very much glad, and all your wonderful speech by you and everybody. So congrats, and hope my cooperation will be there definitely, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You will have wonderful alliance movement, and you
Okay,
have
sir.
good fellowship and friendship
Sure.
in this association.
Nice to see you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Now, GP Babu. Sir, Babu, please unmute. Unmute करेंगे.
Babu sir, நீங்க பேசலாம்.
Sir, good evening to everybody. Sorry for the late coming because suddenly MLA visit in our Moorsambat pond. Just it was renovated and it has come for public utilization. Hopefully by 16th it is inaugurated by the Honorable MP as well as MLA. So that's what that arrangement suddenly it was sorted, was delayed. Sorry for the delay. And good evening to everybody again, once again.
Raju sir, yes, given one club and he become the life member today.
Oh, very good, sir. Really,
Yes,
we
sir. Thank
congratulate you, sir, for becoming life member. The whatever amount you have given to life member, this is like a trust.
Yes,
You have a lot
certainly.
of properties, lot of money, but
Certainly.
you can't keep that money or properties for generations, for so many generations. Because our son or grandson or son of grandson may spoil this. Nobody can keep money. But whatever 10,000 you are giving to the association will be in the fund only. The interest will be utilized for the future generations. This is a wonderful task we are doing. We spend so many money for so many activities, but that will end that day. But this charity will be forever in this organization. So really, you have done a very wonderful activity today, and we thank you, sir, very much.
Sir, and Mr. Babu is a very service-oriented man, sir.
Yes,
In the
yes.
Corona period, for continuously more than 3 months, he fed daily 250 persons.
Oh, very good, very good, very good.
And with his members.
Yes.
Raju sir is also from Lions. Is doing wonderful service at Lion. So we slowly diverted him to Alliance.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Actually, two people have come from Chennai to me. One is Vijay Kumar. He is going to start a new district in September. His daughter marriage is there. He is a friend to me for so many years. He contested in Lions also 2 times. He lost nearly 1 crore rupees. And I told him, last time also told him, a few days back also I told him, he is also coming and joining. And another person, another Vijay Kumar, he also came to Visakhapatnam recently and some work. He is also line member. He got some work. I helped him in getting that work here in Visakhapatnam. He also told me, let me see, sir, this time, this election, whether they give me, otherwise I will start a district like that, he told me. So many people from Lions clubs are doing. I request all of you to concentrate on the leaders of Lions clubs because there is a lot of leadership in Lions club. But the Lionism, they could not utilize them properly. So why you waste your leadership in Lionism unnecessarily when there is no opportunity of doing? We can invite them to Alliance Club and we need not spend that much money and we can have a good friendship here. No elections so far. In the last 12 years in this association, there is no elections at all. So we are enjoying very good friendship. Of course, people are there, 2-3 people are interested for any post. But we are compromising and we are giving on the basis of performance. We have done well on the basis of performance chance, and we are not leaving any leader. We are giving opportunity to every leader. That's what we are doing. No groups, no politics. So that is why this organization is growing. So you can invite the leaders from other organizations. We can give good leadership to them.
So, sir, Raju sir is often visiting to Vizag.
Oh, welcome, sir. Whenever you come, call me. Whenever you come, Visakhapatnam, you can call me.
Yes, sir.
You have what business, sir? Visakhapatnam, what work you are coming?
No, sir. Actually, this was one new project after the Rajam.
Rajam, yes, yes.
Rajam, after that, there is one big dam, is there? No.
Yes, sir.
And the dam, through some fishing company, actually, basically, they are from Walmart.
Okay.
They are getting tilapia fish, almost more around 45,000 per ton in the US area.
Okay, okay.
So they wanted to do the business from here, Chennai to, sorry, Vizag to this US. But due to the political issue, it was stopped. Now again, it was shifted to Telangana.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. No problem, sir.
Karimnagar, nearby Karimnagar, it was shifted. Otherwise, definitely it would have been launched a very big banner because it's a 1,000 crores project. The lake itself, the dam itself, very big project, sir. Fishing, processing unit, everything.
Yes, yes.
One of the in Andhra itself, it will be a very good boom. But latest government, because it was introduced by the last government. It was introduced by the last government. That's what it was stopped.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Very,
whenever you come to Vizag, call me. We can meet.
Yes, sir. Certainly, I used to call you, sir.
Babu is very closely having touch with all political leaders.
Yes, yes. Even our local MP also good friend to me, Sachinarayana.
No, sir. Only because of the social concept only, sir. Because of the social work association, and for that reason only, we used to meet all the people, and for the public needs, we used to meet. No, that's what we have maintained the relationship.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have friends all over the globe, sir.
Yes,
now,
sir.
We have
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because of this Association of Alliance Clubs International. Wherever we go today, if you go to Amritsar, Punjab,
yes,
any place, we have our alliance club. Delhi.
Yeah, that'll be a good relationship.
In India, everywhere we have our clubs. Any help, any just friendly, we can meet them. If we go there, we can meet them.
Yes, sir.
So we have friends. We enjoy very good friendship here and fellowship. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Next, other people. Pushpa, you want to speak?
Pushparatnam.
No, Pushparatnam. Pushparatnam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think not available, I think.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
Madam, you are audible. Just
Pushpa,
please speak.
Please speak, madam. Pushpa, madam, you can speak.
No, he is Pushparatnam.
Asha, okay, Pushparatnam, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry. Sir, please speak, sir. Pushparatnam, sir. Please speak.
Otherwise, meantime, Muthukumar. Sir, Muthukumar.
We have Rajesh also, and we have Geeta ma'am.
Madam is also there.
Geeta ma'am, Rajesh.
Rajesh.
Rajendran, please call them.
Also there.
Please call them, sir.
And Geeta also there. Anybody they want to speak, they can speak. Any other member, if they want to speak, they can unmute and speak.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Muthukumar, okay.
I am Dr. Muthukumar, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am serving as a government executive in Tamil Nadu government, sir.
Okay, sir.
I am very proud to join this association. I will do my best to make the association proud, and I will give my valuable support.
Please unmute, sir.
Sir, you unmute.
Please unmute.
He has also new life member joined today, sir.
Oh, very good, sir. Thank you, Muthukumar, for becoming life member. Really, we are grateful.
It's my pleasure, sir. It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Please, we'll meet some other time. We'll discuss about Alliance movement.
Absolutely, we'll do that, sir.
Okay.
So
You
we
can
have
go
Geeta.
to our website. All of you can go through our website, www.aaca.in.
AACCI.co.in.
That is also there. aaca.in.
Another domain also is there.
Yes, aaca.co.in is there. aaca.in is there.
Our existing domain name also is there.
Yes. Put in, sir. In means, is it India?
No, this is actually domain which is available. We are taking in India. We are generally telling in India. That's all.
AACA.
CO is the commercial. .com is the commercial. In India means particularly we are taking India.
Sir, it is an international organization. Why you are keeping India in the website?
That is the domain. That is the domain we got it, sir.
Sir, we have dual advantage. If you can say IN stands for international also.
INC.
Actually, that origin where they are starting, they can keep sometimes IN also. So our AAC headquarters origin is India.
Yes.
So we can consider like that way.
Yeah. That's why I'm telling you. We have a dual advantage. India as well as international. Evolved from India.
Because the .com is blocked earlierly because some other people. But we have to clearly watch that because sometimes some bid will come. If that guy is not renewing, that domain will come for the market. We have to closely see that.
Yes, sir.
So once comes, we have to block it. That only important extension .com, .in, .co, .in, that and all we are going to block it.
Sir.
Any organization, they will do that.
Sir, Rajesh sir, Rajuji has left.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, maybe it's in network issue, I think so.
Rajuji is not, is out of the...
Yeah, just
Hello.
call.
Are you calling, sir?
Sir, అక్కడ ఏదో పవర్ అయితే అయిపోయిందేమో నేను ఐ విల్ కాల్ హిమ్ ఈలోగా మాట్లాడండి సార్ మీరు
Anybody or other members they can speak.
Okay.
Rajendra sir, you can tell, sir. Babu sir, vanakkam.
Vanakkam sir, vanakkam.
ரொம்ப சர்ப்ரைஸா இருக்கு, பார்க்கவே முடியல.
இல்ல சார், இன்னைக்கு பர்టిక్యులரா கரெக்ட்டா 6:45க்கு ஆன் பண்ண உடனே வந்து எம்எல்ஏ இதுல வந்துட்டாரு, குளத்தாண்ட வந்துட்டாரு, நம்ம மணி சார் அவங்கள கூட வந்துட்டாரு.
ஓ கிரேட்.
போன் பண்ணி உடனே சரி போனாங்க, லேட்டா கிட்டத்தட்ட 1 மணி நேரம் உட்கார்ந்துட்டாரு.
அடவே
ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது அப்படியே அந்த லான்லயே அப்படியே உட்கார்ந்தாரு.
சூப்பர் சூப்பர்.
16th ஓபனிங் சார், முடிஞ்சா 4 o'clock.
வெரி குட்
வெரி குட். பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா வந்திருக்கு குளம்.
நம்ம இது மூவர் சிமெண்ட் தான் சார்.
மூவர் சிமெண்ட் குளம் நல்ல ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக்கா வாக்வே பிளஸ் எஸ்எஸ் ஹேண்ட் ரயில் எல்லாம் போட்டு அமக்கலமா வந்திருக்குது.
வெரி குட். பாக்குறேன் சார், முடிஞ்சா வந்து பாக்குறாங்க.
ஆமா ஆமா.
இன்னைக்கு 16th
16th ஈவினிங் டிஆர் பாலு வரார் எம்பி.
ஓகே ஓகே கிரேட்.
நல்லா பண்ணிருக்காங்க சார், மடிப்பாக்கம் லேக் மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
Sir, அதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப important sir. Really, it will be very useful to everybody.
இதற்கெல்லாம் வந்து ஜிபி
இல்ல சார் வந்து அங்க அந்த ஏரியா புத்தகம் எடுத்துட்டா டோட்டலாவே அந்த ஏரியா சுத்தி சுத்தி எல்லா இன்ஃப்ராஸ்ட்ரக்சர் கொண்டாந்துருக்கிறார்.
அது மாத்திரம் இல்ல சார், வருகின்ற நங்கநல்லூரையும் எடுக்க போறார்.
அப்படியே எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணீங்க சார், உள்ளகரம் நங்கநல்லூர் அது வரைக்கும்.
சார் எல்லாமே சோசியல் சார். இதுல வந்து நம்ம இடம் உங்க இடம் உங்க இடத்துல கூட வாங்க, நம்ம வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணி பண்ணுவோம்
சார். ஷூர் சார், ஷூர் சார்.
எந்த இடம் பண்ணாலும் இட்ஸ் குட் ஃபார் நேச்சர், குட் ஃபார் நம்முடைய இதுதானே.
மூர்த்தி சார் வந்து
உங்களுக்கு நமக்கு அந்த பிரிவினை எல்லாம் இதுல பாகிஸ்தான் இந்தியாவா இது
இல்ல, நம்ம அப்படியே ரிப்ளிகா தான் பண்ணணும்.
அதுதான் சொல்றேன். எல்லா இடத்துல நேச்சர்னும் போது நம்ம 100 இடத்துல மரம் வச்சாலும் எல்லாருக்கும் அது பிரயோஜனப்படும், அவ்வளவுதான்.
சார் அந்த 16th ஜிபி பாபு சார்
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
அலைன்ஸ் போர்டு வைக்க முடியுமா? சும்மா அலைன்ஸ் போர்டு வைக்கலாமா? சும்மா
வைக்கலாம்.
பேனர்
வரலாம் வாங்க.
அதுக்கு தான் கேக்குறேன். சரிங்க சார், நீங்க வந்து நங்கநல்லூர் மூர்சம்பேடு பாருங்க சார். மூர்த்தி சார் வந்து ஆதம்பாக்கம், சென்ட் தாமஸ் மவுண்ட் அந்த ஏரியா பார்த்து
ஏரியா பிரிச்சு கொடுத்துட்டாரு சார் பாஸ்கர் சார்.
இல்ல பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. நாமளும் சேர்ந்துக்கலாம்.
போஸ்ட் போட்டுடுங்க, தபால் போட்டுடுங்க.
ரொம்ப
ராஜேந்திரன் சார், ராஜேந்திரன் சார், நம்ம நியூ மெம்பர் ஜான்சனும் வந்து கலந்துக்கிட்டாரு இந்த மீட்டிங்ல.
பேசினாரு சார்.
ஆமா பேசினாரு. மற்ற மெம்பரும் வந்தாங்க. ஜஸ்ட் ஃபார் few minutes வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டு பார்த்துட்டு அவங்க கிளம்பிட்டாங்க.
Pushpa Ratnam is ready, sir. You can.
Okay.
Rajendra sir. Pushpa Ratnam.
Pushpa
Ratnam. Yum.
Please unmute, sir. Please unmute yourself. Yes. Okay. Please speak on, sir. హలో శాస్త్రి గారు.
సార్
అది రాజు గారిది డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిందట, మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ అవుతున్నాను అన్నారు. ఈలోగా మీరేమైనా మాట్లాడితే మాట్లాడండి సార్.
ఓకే
సో దట్ యూ కెన్ కవర్ అప్ ద గ్యాప్.
yes sir. Sir, as announced and as declared by our international president, I appreciate really the efforts made by all the leaders of District 2 and 9. With their efforts, you could achieve 100% governorship for this year, and as well as you could achieve the target of 15 clubs, that is this full-fledged district. So first of all, let me congratulate all the leaders like Moti sir, Rajendran ji, Ramesh ji, and Senthil Kumar, and all the leaders. And I welcome the new life members who have joined today. I welcome you all for this international Indian originated international organization, sir, service organization, where you can have service.
హలో సార్.
Sir, service, leadership.
అదే శాస్త్రి గారితో మాట్లాడించేస్తున్నాను సార్. ఆ తర్వాత నేను కొంచెం మాట్లాడేసి నేను క్లోజ్ చేస్తాను. అలాగే సార్. రైట్.
Service, leadership, as well as friendship. So these are the three aspects on which our allianism is functioning, and all the members can contribute as per their convenience in the fields of time, talent, and treasure. So these three are the contributions to be made by the members, either time or talent or treasure, or if possible all three together, it's well and good, so that you can excel in the as a good leader in Hellenism. So with this we have a good technical we can say savvy, technical oriented personality Mr. Senthil Kumar, who has been supporting the international in a great way in the fields of website as well as social media, and his suggestions are well received and well taken by our international president, and they are being implemented immediately, so that we can go to next step. So that is being well received by the even all alliance members also. Whatever the suggestions you have given, sir, really we are proud of you, sir. And I suggest Rajendran sir to take up your district conference before our multiple council convention, sir.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
you plan for your district conference also. And I request your vice district governor 1 and 2 also to gear up themselves for the next coming years to be prepared for their for taking up of their duties as next upcoming leaders. And as said by our Rajuji, we have a training program for incoming governors on exclusively on 30th April 2021 at Visakhapatnam, one day before the international convention. So for which the accommodation will be given free of cost for the vice district governor 1, who is going to take up the charge of district governor for the next Hellenistic year. And I request all of you, all the leaders from your district, to participate in multiple council meeting as well as international convention in great number, so that we can show our strength and we can meet so many people. And now we are confident that we will be meeting so many international representatives from other countries also. Like this year only, we have extended so many clubs in Nepal, Bangladesh, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Nigeria, as reported, as said by our Rajuji. So we are expecting so many international leaders for the international convention. So it's a good time to interact with them also, so that we can exchange our views and we can exchange our ideas, share ideas with them, and so that we'll gain more in the shape of ideas and knowledge. And we can interact with all the friends from across the world as well as across India. We are having the Hellenism in north, right from Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, and we have in southern parts of Karnataka, Goa, as well as Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. So these are the places where our Hellenism is prominently growing, and we are expanding. Like I can say that this is the fastest growing service organization at this moment. Sir, with these few words, I would like to thank our international president for giving me this opportunity to interact, to be present in this interaction meeting, so that I met so many. I met some old friends after many times. I've seen Murthy sir after a long time, and I've seen met Rajendran sir, Senthil Kumar ji, Ramesh ji, and I met new friends like Babu sir, Captain Selvarat, and Bhaskar sir, Johnson ji, Muthu Kumar ji, and new Pushparatnam ji, Venugopal ji, all new friends. So I'm looking forward to meet you all in person in our next multiple council meeting as well as international convention. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So now I request our multiple council secretary, Alai Rajesh Rao ji, to say a few words.
Thank you, sir. So just now our international president, he talked to me over phone because he's not getting any connection. So he asked us to wind up the meeting after the speakers give their message. So dear presiding officer, our district governor Rajendran, is a dynamic district governor. So I have to congratulate Mr. Rajendran for achieving 100% qualifications for the international DG award. So in advance, I'm congratulating you, sir, for motivating all the people, and you have completed light members, 15 clubs. So other aspects also, international dues are to be paid, that already you have paid, and multiple dues also you have paid incompletely, and your VDG one has to complete Merlo meeting, that you have to tell us, sir. So regarding
Sir, it's already over, sir.
Over. So we
Merlo
are
meeting
following
and as well as PST,
your
PST
meetings, sir,
both
through
are
web,
over.
through online. We are following your meetings and other things, sir. So for a 100% president award also, there are our international president has specified certain things. So that club president should get 1 life member and 5 new members. Suppose if he gets 5 new members, he will be given a diamond pin also. For 10 members, already our international president mentioned 2 diamond pins for 10 members. So likewise, so we have to encourage them to make them to be qualified for this 100% president award also, sir. So likewise for VDG also, there is the specifications are there. He has to bring 3 life members and increase the strength to 25% of the club. So in that way, you are taking all the already steps. So on that also, on 7th March, this is the important announcement. 7th March, we are conducting 4th multiple council meeting physically at Visakhapatnam. Sir, for that I request you all to make necessary arrangements. We want to see you physically for in the 4th multiple council meeting. And 11th April, we are conducting multiple convention on Zoom. So please note down, sir. And 30th April, as our international secretary mentioned, we are conducting DG VDG's training program at Visakhapatnam. So before that, every district should conduct a district convention before the multiple convention. And 1st May and 2nd May, we are conducting international convention at Visakhapatnam only physically. So for that also, I request all your district officers, cabinet members, please attend physically and make the function a grand success, because I know that besides your district governor, so many VDGs and international leaders are also going to get awards from the our international president. So I wish you all best. So please cooperate. You are cooperating with your district governor and made this function a grand success. But in the last moment when the Raju Garu has gone for natural call, so that connection could not come up. So that's he already joined now. So just I am mentioning, sir.
Okay. Proceed on.
Again, because he loves your district. That's why he tried and again joined us. So for last words, so regarding our interaction meeting. So I'm very thankful to our international president, who is my mentor, my motivator. So our international secretary and our DG, he requested me to conduct this Zoom meeting. So happily I have conducted. My friend Senthil Kumar was guiding me now and then when I get doubts. So I'm very, very thankful to each and every officer and cabinet members for this wonderful session. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, Rajgar, please.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you once again for all the nice members of District 209 for our wonderful interaction and good performance. We hope your district will be a wonderful district in the international, and I will be with you for whatever service activities or administrative activities. I will be with you. Thank you.
Sir, today's meeting recorded link we will provide through WhatsApp, so you can see the entire today our meeting in the Zoom recorded session also.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Wonderful, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
so
sir.
much.
Thank you.
So Rajendra sir, please wind up.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to all.
Sir, at the
Rajendra,
outset,
Rajendra,
Sir,
sir,
at the
please
outset-
propose vote of thanks.
yes, sir. At the outset, I immensely thank our international president, B.T. Raju sir, for this kind gesture to meet our district members. And he has given a very motivational speech, and as well as pat for whatever small achievements we done, he has appreciated. And what are our lapses, they are being exonerated. And I thank our international director, Murthy sir, for his guidance and his cooperation. And I thank Mr. Balagangadhar Sastry, international secretary, for guiding and giving all his inputs in conducting this meeting. And as well as I thank my Chartered District Governor Ramesh for making all out efforts in completing this 15 clubs mission. And as well as this permanent project also, since we are having some 4 schools in our clubs, in our district, we wanted to have a students development center. That is a permanent project. And first we are starting a library. It is mainly concentrating on students to appear for this joint entrance examinations. And we will expand it as a students skill development center, co-opting all the schools and the professionals who are available with us. And I thank Rajeshwar Rao, South Metropolitan Secretary, for guiding us and making the meeting with success. And I thank Mr. Senthil Kumar in cooperating with us in all technical matters. And as well as I thank all my club presidents, secretaries, treasurers, and all members, and my cabinet members for who attended this meeting and made it a very grand success. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you to all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good night. Good night to all of you.
Good night.
Thank you.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you very much.
Good night, sir.